Hey everyone! Today I'll paint something different than usual. It's not a wet on wet watercolor, but it's dry on dry watercolor at the first stage, and then I added some pastel for more intensity. The result surprised me more than I expected. I made a small drawing at the beginning and then I started to apply the watercolor. It took around 40 minutes to make this sketch painting. I try to make a more dramatic view than usual. I like a lot to use pastel as it offers a deepness that other mediums don't. I also choose to paint the cityscape scene, one of my favorite topics. At the beginning, I didn't like the new painting, but after some details and colors added, I think that turned out beautifully. I used a lot of dark colors as blues, violet, browns, and red, and all of these mixed with black. From pastels, I used the lighter colors as yellows and grays for lighter areas, and also dark colors for shadows. What I like at pastels is the softness that comes out if you blend colors very well. I also added my favorite characters, ladies with long dresses, especially with white ones. I used some reference photos which I took from my trip in Romania, especially in Transylvania area. If you try to paint, I advise to paint and continue almost every painting you do because most of the watercolors look not so good at the beginning and after adding details you fall in love with it. Don't forget to add the highlights with intensive colors. Also, the shadows are very important because may ruin your painting if you don't apply them correctly. Before letting you to watch the rest of the process, I invite you to check out my website and remind you that I offer 20% off everything until the end of April with the code SPRING20. I will add the code in the video description so it'll be easy to use it. Please let me know in comment section what would you like me to paint or to narrate here. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.